Hello and welcome to another video by Driven Automotive Consulting. Today we have a Hyundai Tucson and I am very excited to be showing it to you. But before we go any further, if you are in the market of buying a new car like this Hyundai Tucson, Driven Automotive Consulting can help you find the best deal. Our services are free of charge and we give you a small gift upon collection of your new vehicle. So check us out at www.drivenautoza.com for more information. But for now, back to the video. The model you see on screen right now is the Hyundai Tucson 2.0 D Elite, and it has been kindly supplied to me by Hyundai Constantia Kloof. I would also like to send a special shout out to Thato. If you are looking for a new or used Hyundai of Constantia Kloof has got you covered. On the outside, this car is a round shape with these triangular creases which make it look muscular. My favorite design element on this car has to be the light bar at the back, which spans across the entire width of the vehicle. It looks very smart. Because this is the Elite model, visual upgrades include these LED lights which blend into the dark chrome grille, some beefy 19-inch alloy wheels which improve the car's stance, and this silver skid plate at the back. So what are your thoughts on the design of the Hyundai Tucson? Let me know in the comment section below, and while you at it, please like, share and subscribe. Do all of those YouTube things, I really do appreciate it. Moving to the front seat, and you have this clean dashboard design. Your seating position is also great and it gives you a clear view of everything outside of the vehicle. You also have a lot of storage space for things like your wallet and your house keys. Standard equipment on all Tucson models include remote keyless entry, a multifunction steering wheel, heated seats, and wireless charging. Additional nice-to-haves on the Elite model include ventilated seats, a light for your vanity mirror, heated steering wheel, and this 10.25-inch instrument cluster which changes its design based on your driving mode. That 8-inch infotainment system allows for various forms of connection such as Bluetooth, USB, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. It works smoothly, and the wireless connectivity to your phone screen projection is a nice touch. Now, as South Africans, we love our sunroofs, and that comes standard on your Elite models. Unfortunately, other models cannot even have it as an option. Moving to the back seat, and there is ample space in here for 3 adults. The front seat is placed in my normal driving position. Legroom and knee room is more than adequate, and if you need to recline the rear seat for more space, you can. For added practicality and comfort, you have rear pouches behind both seats, air vents and 2 USB ports, a cup holder in each door, and an armrest with 2 extra cup holders. Overall, it is a very comfy place to be for both short and long distances. Moving to the boot, and over here you have 539 liters of space for your cargo. You also have these anchor points to tie down anything fragile. If you want to increase your boot space for longer items, you can also use these levers to drop down the rear seats for a total boot space of 1,860 liters. One thing I really appreciate from Hyundai is the inclusion of a full-size spare tire with an alloy wheel under the boot. This can also be seen in their other vehicles like your Hyundai i20N line, which I recently reviewed. If you want to see that video, head to the channel and hear my thoughts on that car. Overall, this is a big boot with lots of space for your luggage. Under the hood of this model, you will find a 2-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine with 137 kilowatts of power and 416 Newton meters of torque. This unit sends its power to the front wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission, and the car will move from 0 to 100 in 9.2 seconds and will top out at a top speed of 201 kilometers per hour. Fuel consumption is claimed to be 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers, but on my short drive, I managed to achieve 5.9 liters per 100 kilometers. This is impressive considering the size and the power of this vehicle. One thing about Hyundai, they will give you great maintenance plans. With your new Hyundai Tucson, you will get a 6-year, 90,000 kilometer service plan. You will also get a 5-year, 150,000 kilometer manufacturer's warranty, with an additional 2-year 50,000 kilometer powertrain warranty for peace of mind and stress-free motoring. Out on the open road, I was really impressed with all of the safety features which come with this vehicle. In this Elite model, it comes standard with features such as lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, fatigue detection, and rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. Although the heavens had opened up while I was driving this vehicle, it held the road really well, and the road always remained visible because of features such as auto defog, rain sensors, and auto wipers. The engine is very responsive, and you get a feeling that this vehicle has absolutely no trouble overtaking other cars at highway speeds. The ride is supple and it negotiates unevenness very well. Overall, a very accomplished product. Bravo Hyundai. Now for the financial bit. Prices on the Hyundai Tucson start at 551,000 Rand, but that model misses out on a lot of features and comes standard with halogen lights instead of LEDs, so let's forget about that one. If you want the elite model that we tested today, you are looking at 734,900 Rand. And if you are looking to finance that over 72 months with no deposit and no balloon payment, your monthly installments will come up to about 13,900 Rand. Add 2 full tanks of diesel and that amount goes up to 16,300 Rand. So, what are my final thoughts on the Hyundai Tucson? Well, there's a lot to love about this car. It has amazing technology, advanced safety features, and it's a great car to drive on the open road. Without a doubt, this is the nicest car I have reviewed on the channel so far. The only logical reason that I can think of for not seeing more of these cars on the road is because of the stiff competition they face from cheaper Chinese SUVs which offer unrivaled value for money. Hopefully in the near future I'll also get a chance to review the Haval H6 so that I can see how it matches up to the Hyundai Tucson. If you enjoyed this review, please like and share, and if you want to see more videos like this one, head to the channel and consider subscribing. But guys, thank you very much for watching this one. Until the next video, take care and stay driven. It's true that if you date a petrol head, you will also become a petrol head. Look at the madam doing the things over here. Anch!